Hello, everyone. Today we are here in NX English Club, and students have a lot of queries in their minds regarding the spoken and other language tests. So, first of all, I will move towards Afaq. Afaq, please let us know what problems you have while you are speaking in public.
In my mind that I should add me in my mind we are English learning almost 16 year. Okay, but I cannot why speak regularly because we have 16-year education.
Yes.
But when we speak in English, I have many vocabulary words, but I cannot why properly speak English. Can you tell me?
Okay, this is all because sometimes we have a lot of vocabulary in our mind and a lot of things in our mind to deliver. But the problem is that we have in fear in our mind that what people think about us. You don't need to worry about it. What actually people think, just forget about it. Just say it. If you're not good enough in speaking, how you can deliver the things in public? So first of all, be confident and say the thing whatever you have in your mind. Rather than what people think about you, you are not using good vocabulary, just speak it. First of all, you have to remove that fear from your minds. A lot of people having that nightmare in their minds that we don't need to speak. But the only key to success for speaking is speak, speak, and speak. Okay, so now Emma, please let us know what problems you have in your mind regarding speaking. Like,
So I have a problem. When we speak, we often take pauses. How to reduce that?
this is all about practice. The more you practice, the more you will get the fruit of your spoken. So, what you have to do, you have to relax your mind. You have to make a story in your mind, first of all. And for that purpose, everyone you meet has something to teach you in your life. So, from today, you all have to make that habit of active listening. So, whenever the people are speaking, listen to them actively. You have to meditate on each and every single syllable that they utter. By this thing, you have a lot of stories to tell. Everyone you meet has something to teach you, a lot of stories behind that. So whenever you meet them, you have a story in your mind, then automatically things are going in your subconscious, and whenever you want to speak, you can bring those words from your subconscious towards your conscious, and then you can speak easily. And in order to reduce the pauses, you have to make that habit of saying these words like, that's why, likewise, these words can help you in fluency. Okay, because this is a very good question. Basically, in English, the most important thing is fluency. Your vocab doesn't even matter anymore. Your pronunciation doesn't even matter anymore. Your accent doesn't even matter anymore. What thing is important? Which thing is important? You guys have to speak fluently. Fluency is the matter. Okay? So, students, if you have more queries like that in your mind, feel free to contact Annex English Club because we shape your career.